Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from G2G. Start by opening your web browser and going to the G2G website. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu of the page. You will see your profile icon on the right side. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on the option called Available Balance. This will take you to the section where you can manage your funds. Here, you will see your current balance and options related to withdrawals. Here, click on the button that says Withdraw. Next, you need to set up your payment method. If you have already added a payment option before, you can simply select it from the list. If not, choose to add a new payment method. You can select options such as bank transfer, Skrill, or cryptocurrency. Follow the instructions on the screen to enter the required details carefully. After setting up your payment method, move to the withdrawal section. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Double-check the amount to make sure it is correct. Then click on the Submit button to continue. You will now be asked to confirm your request. Review all the details, including the payment method and withdrawal amount. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. Thanks for watching.